Hi friends, I am JJ. Welcome to our channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notification. These are the important informative topics of our channel. Let's start. Real Path creates victory. Today I am sharing the topic is how to solve the Videocon d2h software hanging problem. Look at this. Videocon d2h logo is tagged. I will introduce two techniques to overcome this type of problems. Firstly, switch on the power supply. Most of the Videocon d2h customers are affected this type of problem. Factory reset techniques are needed when the software is hanged. Technique number 1. When the d2h logo loaded completely, then quickly press the factory reset push button behind the Videocon d2h set-top box. If the button is OK, then restart set-top box automatically and Videocon will start working. Technique number 2. If the factory reset push button is not working, then press 4 keys of Videocon d2h remote one by one. The 4 keys are green, 0, 5, mute. When the logo is loaded, then quickly press the 4 keys. If no changement, press 4 keys again. Look at this, Videocon is restarting automatically. Now the scanning process is started. This is a common fault in Videocon d2h set-top box. Anyone can repair this type of problem without any service charges. Now I am happy. Finally gets the channels. Thank you for watching this video.